In this section, we'll be looking at alignment, the alignment of your data set. What is alignment? Alignment simply means the arrangement of your data set in a way and in a format that your data set will look neat, will look nice, and it will be easy to understand the data set and be easy to identify some pattern and information in the data set. Now, currently, I have a visualization here, a simple table visualization. This is category that is on the column shelf and the color field on the row shelf. I have the on the row shelf. Then I have the amount for each. Now you can see for each color and the category for each goods, we can see the sales amount for each of those particular categories of goods. Now, if I want to format this particular I want to format this particular table. In other words, I want to align them in a very nice and better format. There are different ways you can do the alignment depending on your choice or your preference Now you click on format, we click on alignment. We have different types of alignment. We have the font alignment, we have the font, different type of formatting. We have the font, we have the alignment, we have the shade, we have the border, we have the line, but we were looking at alignment this time around. So click on alignment. When you click on alignment, it brings up the alignment plan. So format alignment plan. This first one deals with the font alignment, just as we saw here, we have the font alignment. So this next deals with the alignment. The first deals with the formatting, the font formatting. This deals with alignment formatting. Now format alignment. That is what this particular aspect deals with. Now you can see by default here, if I want to align this particular data set, I can click on here. You can see it shifted the pane. This represents the pane. I click on this left alignment. All the data sets are aligned to the left hand side. When I click on the right alignment, horizontally all the data sets are aligned to the right hand side. So I could also decide to expand this. Expand that a bit. Then I want to align this. You can see that aligns the text, and that aligns the text, that changes the direction of the text. And if you want to change the text direction, you can use that to help changing the text direction. Also here we have the vertical alignment here. On the vertical alignment, we can click on that shift the text, each data set downward. This take it to the middle and this take it to the top. So let's leave it in this way. So we can also do the header alignment. This is the header alignment. We can work with the header alignment. When you click on this, you can see the header alignment. Takes it to the middle and takes it to the left. As well, we can do that here. As I click each of the alignments, you can see as I click each command of the alignment, you can see it's arranging the data format in respect to this particular alignment. So that is how you can use the alignment in Tableau. So that okay, you can see this alignment, this header only affects this header here, while the pane only affects the values in this particular section of the dataset, while the header only affects the header. Now total, I don't have a total, so whatever I do doesn't affect any of this dataset because I don't have a total. Now if I want to get the total, all I need to do is to click on analysis and go to total, show the grand total for the rows. I can also show the grand total for the columns. Now I have the total here. All I need to click on the alignment. You can see the alignment, the alignment. So you can see that I can click here, I can click here, and you can see different alignment that is being displayed. So each time now you can see that alignment there. So that's for the total. That's for this total for each total for the total. Now let's look at the grand total. The alignment for the grand total. Now you can see for the grand total, you can see it affects all the grand total. Also, it affects all the grand total, just similar to the total, because this is total for each row. This total for each row. Also, the grand total. You can see the alignment affecting the position of the values in this particular table, how the alignment affects the position of value in this table. Then that is for the grand total. Then when it comes to the header, now this is the header for the alignment for the grand total. The header, now you can see, now it's not really affecting this because there is no space in this particular case. For we to see that, let's try to hide this card. Let's hide this card. And then let's hide this card. That's the max card. Now you can see that. Now you can see that properly. So if I want to do that, you can now see it's affecting it now. Now you can see that affecting this particular selection. So next is how to do the alignment. So if I want to go to the row alignment, now the row alignment only affects the row. Row alignment only have effects on the row. Well, this is already created out. As the alignment will only affect like this, it will only affect the header. Now these are the header for each row. This black and black, blue, gray. So when I click on this, it only affects each of the row header. So that affects the row header. Why this column only affects the column header? Now it affects the column header. All these are the column headers. So you can see affecting the column header. This is grayed out because this pin represents this particular aspect, this particular section of this visualization. So now that is the column. Now I want to go to the column. This is the column total. It affects the column total. Now these total affect the total. Why this is for the header, for the this is for the header for the column. That's the header for the column total. Why this is the for the column total. This it affects us for the column total. For the column total, it affects that for the column total. It depends on your data set. Now you can see that because of the position of the data set. Okay, now this is the grand total for column. Grand total for columns. Grand total for columns. Okay, so it only affects us for the column, the grand total for columns. Now, if for that for the rows, you will do the grand total. For the pane, that's for the row. This is the pane for the row. Now you can see that affects that. Now for the header, here we can see for the grand total header. Okay, this is the grand total header. So that's for the row. Now for the column, the grand total header for the column. This is the grand total header for the column. Why for the pane? The grand total is this. Now you can see all the grand total there for. So these are the grand total. Those are the grand total for the pane. Why this is the grand? This is for the pane. That's the pane. The total for the pane. Why the header deals with this and this. So now this is for the column. The header for the column. Now you can see that. But for the row, you can see the header for the row. That this is shifting. Why this the pin? It affects all the values at the bottom there. So that is how you can use the alignment. That's how you can use the alignment command in Tableau to arrange your dataset and make your dataset look cleaner. To clear all feature like all formatting, you click on clear. That clears up every formatting that has been done.